Reliability and performance are essential to meet your challenges. Minimize your risk and maximize your potential with the long-term service agreements by Everllence PrimeServ. A single comprehensive service agreement tailored to your needs and designed to reduce the cost and complexity of managing your assets. Our job is to make yours easier. With a single point of contact, our long-term service department handles all coordination, ensuring faster processing and efficient service. We provide tailored solutions through individualized contracts and service plans, developed in close collaboration with you and fitted to the unique needs of your vessel, equipment and plant type. Increase your profitability with fixed costs over multiple years and build greater security into your financial planning. Experience security and efficiency with our supply chain planning. Get everything you need on time with maintenance schedules and spare parts planning seamlessly managed for you. Wherever you are and whenever you need it, we offer worldwide service. Get in touch with us and experience operational freedom and peace of mind with long-term service agreements by Everllence PrimeServ.